did you just eat a big meal and you feel uneasy? Your stomach is just not feeling too good? Well, these poses are going to be really good for you. We'll be opening it up with some breath work as well as massaging it. So let's get to it, and I'll see you on the mat. So today we're going to start by laying on the mat. So get yourself comfortable in any way possible. And let's bring our knees into the chest. So when our stomach is hurting after a meal, a great way to relieve our digestive system is by just doing some gentle movements. And this is also really good to do right before eating as well, so that way we open up our organs, open up our body with oxygen. That way it can be ready to eat. Be ready to take in new energy from the food. So we're just gonna rock, do some little mini circles with the knees. And you can bring your nose into the chest. Just take a few rounds of breath here. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And if this is too much for your neck, you can just bring it back down. Or just try to hug your knees even tighter. Like you're giving your best friend the greatest hug. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. We're going to take our first spinal twist. So we're going to take the left leg, take it all the way down, and bring the right leg over the hip. So as you're in this pose, if you want, you can take a block. You can take your block and place it underneath the knee to help support your low back. And then you're going to take your arms to a T and then look over to the right side. And if you want an added bonus, you can place your left hand and place it on the right thigh. And then just allow some pressure by moving more to the left. So as if you're assisting your hips to turn, to stay in this twisted position. Almost like you're lightly grasping your thigh. So breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just gonna hold this pour for a few more seconds, just to get acquainted with the pose right now. So use the breath and send the breath to your discomfort. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. And slowly coming back to center. You can move your block to the opposite side. Bring your knees back into the chest. Hug them like you're hugging your best friend, or you're hugging your pet. Good. And then lower the right leg, and then let's bring the left over, grabbing that block if you need to, and just allow the hips to just sink to the right side. And place your left hand out to a T. And then if you want that added stretch, just take your right and place it over the left. And if you feel any discomfort, simply come out of the pose and then just readjust yourself. Maybe you need another block or a blanket just to give you that added support. It's really good to use props, so that way we don't overstrain the body in various poses. There's nothing wrong with using props either. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And then take a moment to listen to your surroundings. Where are you? What do you hear? What do you smell? Does your kitchen still bring the aroma of the food that you just ate? Perhaps you're smelling the scents now as they're cooking and you're taking a small short break. What is it that you smell? Breathe in and breathe out. Are you burning a candle? Any incense? Any essential oils? What do you smell? Perhaps you just smell your deodorant. That's okay too. Or just focus on what you smell and what these scents do to your body. Are you calming down? Are you excited? Are you irritated? How do you feel by these scents? Take one final big breath in through the nose, expand the belly, and release. Good. Let's bring the knees into the chest. Hug them again, and then just rock side to side. Let's lower our legs into a wider butterfly. And then as you're in this pose, you're going to first just adjust yourself by putting some pressure on your upper thighs. Just allowing your spine to elongate, relaxing your shoulders here. And then place your hands on your stomach, and we're just going to be gently massaging our stomach now. So just adding some small pressure, kind of like you're rolling some dough, shaping your cookies. Breathe in and breathe out, and going in like a circle motion around your belly button. Just gently massaging your organs, your stomach. And as you're massaging them, thank your organs for working. Thank your body. Thank your stomach for being able to digest the foods that you have eaten or are about to eat. So keep massaging the belly. Keep being grateful. Find new areas of tightness and send your breath to those areas of tightness. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And then gently place your hands on your belly. I'm going to take 5 rounds of breath, but we're going to really focus on expanding the belly. So feel the belly rise, expand, and then let it drop and sink into the floor. So inhale, expand the belly as much as you can. Exhale, release. As you release, allow the stomach to relax. Inhale, expand the belly. And release. If you want, you can make a sound as you exhale. Just really allow the body to sink more into the surface it's resting on. Inhale, expand the belly. Hold the breath and exhale nice and slowly. Really feel the motion with the hands of the belly expand and sink down. Let's do 2 more. Inhale, expand the belly. Expand even further. And exhale, release softly. And one last one. And this time as we get to the top, we're just going to take 2 quick intakes. 2 quick intakes to fill our body even more. So inhale, rise. Then inhale, and inhale again. feel that expansion. Hold the breath and slowly, gently exhale out. Good. And take your arms to the side, and you're just gonna windshield wipe your legs to the left and to the right. Good. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. Let's roll over to one side. We're gonna take our body to, I'm gonna roll over on the opposite side because it'll be easier for me. Roll over to one side and come onto your stomach. Come onto your stomach and just lay your hand on your forearms, on your wrists, on your palms, on your knuckles. Simply allow your belly to just sink into the ground. This will be your final pose. These are just some really simple movements to get our digestive system going, to relax the stomach after a big meal, and to get the belly and the stomach ready for its first meal or its next meal. Just thanking the body, thanking yourself for grounding. Inhale through the nose and exhale out. Inhale through the nose and exhale out. And then just gently come up to a baby cobra. Get ready to sit up. Just bring your neck down and up. Down and up. And move it gently to the left and to the right. And then gently come on up to a sitting position. Bring your hands up over the head, bringing them down. And thank you for practicing with me. If you feel better, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more. Thank you, and see you next time.